Hello everybody. So Microsoft won't stop putting ads in our operating system. First in Windows 10 they were putting ads in the start menu. Now they are putting ads in our lock screen. So this is the problem I am talking about. If you see there are three ads or unwanted widgets, and there will be sometimes you can see the widgets are here as well or here. So they just consume a bunch of bandwidth, as well as they make the lock screen look very ugly. So we will be removing it. So let me unlock this. So to remove it, we first go to the start menu, go to the settings, go to personalization, then go to lock screen, and under the personalize your lock screen, uh, uncheck this box, get fun facts, tips, tricks and more on your lock screen. We don't want that, so we uncheck it. Now then we go to the lock screen status. We set it to none. So this is how you get it done. Now if you lock your screen, you see they are gone. So now uh, this is how you do it. Please subscribe to my channel.